It's about time, the most requested video on the internet for the channel. I'm joking, it's not the most requested video, but it is time for the modification on the C32. And we've got something special for the interior, and I'm gonna show you guys here shortly. Ooh, okay, here we go. Dang, with the red stitching also. Oh my goodness. This is looking fantastic. Flat bottom, carbon fiber steering wheel with leather stitching on the sides, red stitches, nothing right here. I wanted to go with the Tiffany blue color to match the caliper, but they didn't have that color, so we just went clear carbon fiber. Guys, this is gonna look sick on the interior. I can't wait to get it on. If you guys are interested, guess what? You can get in touch with them about getting a custom steering wheel. They've got it all. They've got steering wheels with the pedal shifters as well, but this is looking really nice. Guys, when I tell you steering wheel transforms the way you drive the car, how you feel in the car, just the aesthetics on the interior, it's completely different. I had the experience of it when I had the CLK, when I had the flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel. It's a complete game changer. It's super nice. So that's why I got it for the C32. We'll go ahead and install in this video. We'll go out, get some POVs for you guys to look at the interior and the cockpit. We're so close to getting this car done, dialed in, complete the build. I'm gonna go ahead and actually clean the back of this thing because it's looking pretty dirty. And we'll go ahead and pop the hood, get in the interior, undo the battery. We'll probably do positive and negative, or yeah, just to be safe. And then we'll get the steering wheel taken off and get it installed. It's pretty simple, honestly. Oh, you can kind of tell there's a screw in there. So that looks like a T25. Actually, maybe it might be a T30. We'll see. We'll get to installing, but I've done this install on my channel. If you are curious, I think I have a more detailed video on the CLK. If you guys look in my channel, just type in W203 or W209 CLK carbon fiber steering wheel upgrade. Let me go ahead and clean this thing real quick and we'll hop into the interior. All right, I think it's looking a ton better. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I might not even have to polish it with a leather conditioner, but we'll see. Look how nasty that is. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad, but it looks pretty gross. I lied. We are going to be using some leather conditioner. That's what I usually use on my interior, on my leather seats. Probably put like a dab or two. Something like that. Oh yeah, looking a ton better. Look at that. Woo! So we are gonna need a T30. Also, make sure your steering wheel is all the way out, so at least you have enough space to get in here. Something like this is gonna work. So pretty much what this is doing is releasing the airbag. Don't expect the screw to come off because it stays in there. Go ahead and unplug this. Unplug from here. All right, airbag is off, nice and cute. So if you take a look here, these are sitting inside the airbag and this pretty much is sitting like that. You want to pop this off, and this side is just a tab. You can click on it and it pulls out. You get those three out. On this end, for this bolt right there, you can use a T55. That's what I'm gonna end up using. I got some extra help. You guys are gonna need this part. You gotta have someone holding your steering wheel. Also, I forgot to mention, make sure your steering wheel is straight before you do this. All right. All right, I broke it loose. It's pretty tight. I'm sure there's some blue Loctite. Yeah, you're gonna need two people for this. This is pretty much the last step to get the bolt out of here. Also, I'll show you, look, blue Loctite, see? So you guys can use blue Loctite also. And that just comes off. Let me get some blue Loctite. I'll put it on this. and we'll put the new steering wheel in. Look at the comparison. Dang. Right now, she's just aligning the wires through the steering wheel, and it just comes out through the one spot. This is the spot that I'm talking about. This one right here. All right, I got some blue Loctite. A T55 is all I had. This part, I'm just gonna torque it by feel. Dude, that looks so good already.
I like the red accents.
You like the red accents? Nice. Cool. All right. The airbag is back on. We'll go ahead and tighten these bolts back here. These bolts, you don't have to tighten too hard. All right, let's go ahead and plug the battery in. Honestly, this feels amazing. Like, the first thing I noticed was the bottom. It feels completely different than the regular steering wheel. It's a lot thinner and just boxiness. It just feels pretty good, which reminds me of the CLK. Honestly, I'm not even sure if the CLK felt like this one, but this one feels pretty nice. Also, the other thing I noticed, and you notice it also, the red stitching, I like it. It gives it a little edge to the interior. It kind of matches the hazard and just the few little red things, like the gauge right there. My gauge is acting up. It's not reading correctly, but man, this feels really solid. Those are the things I've noticed so far. It's just been a while since I've had a flat bottom steering wheel. It feels really great. Just holding it this way as well, it feels really great as well. It's just a completely different feel, and it looks really great in here. Yeah, this feels really great. Dang. I'm gonna have to keep driving this car more, guys. But we gotta bring the E55 back on the channel. It's been a while. She's looking really good, guys. Dang, I can't get over these wheels. I love how they turned out. I feel like I'm gonna keep saying it. It is pretty sick. They are shiny. I love how these wheels, they portray like the lip on it to be a lot larger, but in person it's actually not as large, but just the way it's designed, it makes it look like it's pretty large. All right, well, you guys, this is probably going to be a short video. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but I figured I will show you guys the installation and how it looks like on the car. 10 out of 10 recommend, guys, if you guys are wanting a carbon fiber flat bottom steering wheel for your W203. Again, the information I posted in the beginning of the video, you guys definitely go ahead and hit them up and let them know. The price on this steering wheel is pretty cheap compared to most other places, so definitely take advantage of it. One last look